Paladin for Roof is an award-winning, self-regulating heating cable system designed to provide reliable roof de-icing for roof edges, gutters, downspouts, and drainage pipes. Trusted for its performance, safety, and efficiency, Paladin for Roof keeps your roof clear of dangerous ice buildup and ice dams throughout the winter. Paladin for Roof is supplied job-ready with self-regulating heating cable, factory finished to length, and plug end. The system simply plugs into a 120 volt or 240 volt receptacle and is provided complete with GFCI protection as per the Canadian and National Electrical Code. No extra electrical work is required. While some other roof heat trace products offer plug-in convenience, Paladin for Roof stands apart with professional-grade self-regulating cable technology engineered for long-term durability and performance. Trusted by contractors for reliable results, Paladin for Roof delivers complete roof and gutter de-icing solutions across a wide range of roofing materials, including metal, asphalt shingle, composite, and rubber. Its self-regulating heating cable automatically increases heat output in colder areas and reduces output in warmer areas for exceptional energy efficiency and safety. Paladin for Roof is designed for fast, straightforward installation on pitched or flat roofs. A continuous cable run can be safely installed on many roof types without fear of overheating. Laid directly into gutters without the need for suspension clips, and continue through downspouts and drainage pipes to maintain a complete meltwater path. Paladin for Roof installs in a conventional serpentine layout using heat line roof clips, or can be integrated with the heat line edge cutter roof de-icing system for an aesthetically pleasing, shorter run installation. Both options provide reliable winter protection and help maintain a meltwater path from roof edge to downspout. The Paladin for Roof self-regulating heating cable system is CSA certified in North America for roof de-icing and snow melting applications. Optional control devices and sensors can be added to further optimize performance and reduce energy use. Manufactured in North America, Paladin for Roof is backed by a 5-year limited warranty with an optional 10-year extended warranty available. Embrace worry-free winters and protect your roof with one of the most dependable, high-quality, and energy-efficient roof de-icing systems available.